Here I am at the lodge, and you can see the ocean. It is a little primitive. This is where we kind of bullshit at night. Here and there's the kitchen. As you can see, we have to wash our own clothes, and we hang them outside the room. This is our room. Hanging our clothes. It is definitely an island all to itself. Christmas Islands. Let go.
Let go, okay.
Swimming down there, he doesn't want to come up. You guys got the gaff hook? Bingo! Whoa, look at him.
Nice.
Tuna tonight. Beautiful, huh? Oh, we got to beat him a little bit, knock him out, otherwise they slap all over the boat. All right. These guys will flop forever if you don't hit them. Tuna at Christmas Island. Big tuna.
Just change.
Big tuna. Wow, blood everywhere. Probably weighs 50 pounds, I guess, 40 pounds.
Yep.
Something like that. Christmas Island. Very good. Right, it's following us. Gonna get up. They move the camera, they go. There we go. It's almost like to follow the boat. This island. Yeah, on the way in, 80+ pound tuna. Fought them for over an hour. And
Hour and 10 minutes.
glad we got him in. An hour and 10 minutes? Hour and 10 minutes. This thing is enormous. He was hit hard, fought hard, took all the line in. Doesn't know yet.
You got a dolphin.
I can't sing it. It's been a half-hour battle. There we go. We can see it now. big, but he must have been hooked, buddy. Woo! Oh, yeah.
Yellowtail. Yellowfin.
Ah! Tuna! We'll see how big he is. He gave me hell. It might have been, see the bottom hook is caught in his gill, so maybe. Oh, okay. Oh, it's bleeding. Okay.
Like 30.
About 30 pounds. Gave me a bigger fight than that, though. If I had lost him, the story would have been bigger.
Yeah.
Christmas Island guy, we caught several today, lost a lot of them. Amazing. Only halfway through the day. Thanks.
Okay.
You hit it?
Yeah.
Christmas Island, another trevally. It's a blue one. It's a different one. I'm going to try to get him to hold him up. I'm in between Christmas Island, in between Hawaii and Fiji. And this is called, it's raining obviously, called a blue trevally. There, get one even closer. And amazingly, these guys are so tough, I'm going to release him and he'll swim away. Beautiful fish, got to weigh 25 pounds, very solid. Catch him out there on the surf. So, there you go. We'll let him go now. Very good, thank you. Got a, out here in the ocean, got a Jack Crevalle. I can get him over here. They're pretty strong. He's probably only about 12 pounds, but maybe 15, but definitely, definitely strong. Got these, got bonefish, Jack Crevalle, and we're going to go for more. About 9:30 in the morning, we're going to go for a big one. They get up over 60 pounds. I don't have it.
Okay.
Good. Here I am at dinner, Christmas Island. We got about 12 guys here. This is the second or last night. All the boys are getting fed, just finishing up our food. All the bullshit goes around. And
That's one Russian trip.
so this is us all eating. That's what we're doing. There's the leader of the troop, Eric. The man has caught fish. You're the only one that's been here twice, right?
Mm-hmm. That's
Yeah.
correct.
Yeah. And you catch a lot of fish?
I don't know what it is.
And this is me, the disaster of the whole trip. Gotta do what you gotta do.
Yeah, depending on you, when you go. It's
So this is our dinner.
somewhere between 4,000 and
They're helping us with
4,000
food.
and
It's
16,000.
actually pretty good.
Weeks.
We fish it, we eat at 7, go to bed probably about 8,